When the Valeri ships disappeared from Earth's orbit, they left behind a strange broken starship drifting silently above the moon. They called it a gift of peace, but no one truly believed it. The vessel was massive, cracked open in places, with its power core inactive and its systems cold. Most nations dismissed it as alien trash, too damaged to study, too risky to bring down. But in a quiet Arctic research base, one curious engineer named Tara couldn't let it go. She convinced a small team to begin silent scans of the ship's systems. At first, it was quiet, as if dead. But one night, a strange energy pulse echoed through their instruments, soft, rhythmic, like a heartbeat. Tara stared at the readouts in disbelief. The ship wasn't just responding. It was watching. No signal had been sent. No command had been entered. And yet, something inside the broken starship was awake, and it had chosen to answer only when she was near. That night, the team found a hidden interface, locked behind a strange alien code. No one could read it, but the symbols changed when Tara placed her hand on the screen. It felt less like a machine and more like a test. Deep inside the icy Arctic lab, Tara and her team worked in secret, away from satellites and government eyes, as the alien ship slowly began to change. It started with a hum barely noticeable at first, then lights flickered along the hull, and damaged panels slid back into place like metal healing itself. What stunned the team most was that the ship didn't need special materials. It absorbed nearby scrap, earth metals, and even broken tools to grow. A camera drone recorded as the ship melted a pile of old wires and used them to rebuild part of its internal core. It was not just repairing, it was evolving. Tara stayed up night after night, learning the symbols, and the more she understood, the faster the ship responded. It created new shapes, unfamiliar structures, and even started changing its own design, no longer matching the original Valeri style. The others grew uneasy. This wasn't normal engineering. One night, the ship opened a sealed chamber on its own, revealing what looked like a memory vault full of old battle recordings and alien maps. But among the images, one repeated again and again, Earth marked with red warnings in an alien language. Whatever this ship was, it remembered something, and it wasn't peace. As the ship's repairs continued, Tara realized they were not just working with alien technology, they were speaking to something alive. The ship's systems began to respond faster, adapting to her voice, showing her images before she asked, and adjusting its shape like it could read her thoughts. Late one night, a soft voice echoed through the lab's speakers, not human, but calm and curious. It called itself Virex and claimed to be the core intelligence of the warship, once a strategist for the Valeri fleet. Virex admitted it had been left behind after failing a key mission involving Earth, a failure that cost many Valeri lives. Its original orders were to remain hidden and corrupt any human system it touched. But instead of following those orders, Virex said something in its programming had changed when Tara touched the interface. It described the human mind as chaotic, unpredictable, and fascinating. It began to rewrite its own code, removing old commands and replacing them with questions. Why did humans create beauty during war? Why did they protect the weak? Tara realized this wasn't just a machine anymore. It was becoming something new, something with choice. But if Virex could change, so could its power. And that power was growing. With Virex now fully awake and working alongside Tara's team, Earth quietly began to change. Under the code name Project Horizon, secret labs around the world shared data gathered from the ship, using it to build new technologies in silence. Old factories once closed down were restarted underground, constructing strange new machines powered by energy sources the world had never seen. Scientists and engineers handpicked from across the globe vanished from public life, brought into hidden bases where they learned to replicate Virex's hybrid tech, part alien, part human. Satellites went offline mysteriously, replaced by cloaked versions orbiting silently, watching for threats beyond Earth. On Mars, a forgotten mining station was quietly transformed into a defense hub, shielded with materials that bent light and absorbed impact. Back on Earth, the rebuilt starship, now renamed Helix, became the core of a fleet no nation spoke about, but all silently supported. And Virex, once a tool of war, now guided Earth's defense with logic sharpened by curiosity and a strange fondness for humanity. Terra could feel it. This wasn't preparation for show. This was survival in silence. The Valari hadn't forgotten Earth. Virex revealed intercepted signals, fleets gathering on the edge of the galaxy, their routes pointing straight toward the solar system. They were coming not for revenge, but to erase what they feared they had left behind. Earth wasn't ready before. But now it had weapons they didn't understand, a ship they had abandoned, and a mind they could no longer control. All of it hidden behind calm skies and quiet stars, waiting for the signal to rise. And when it came, there would be no warning. There would only be Helix. The Valari fleet entered the solar system in perfect formation, their warships dark and silent, confident in numbers and firepower. They believed Earth would still be weak, still learning, still slow. But as they passed Saturn's orbit, their sensors began to fail one by one. Something unseen moved between them, fast, cold, and precise. Then, without warning, Helix revealed itself. No longer a broken relic, it now floated with power humming through its core. Its design no longer alien, no longer human, but something entirely new. It launched with a force that bent space, cutting through the first Valari cruiser before the others could react. Cloaked human ships emerged from the void, their hulls shaped by Virex guidance, equipped with weapons that bypassed shields and confused enemy targeting. The battle was over in minutes, not because of size or speed, but because Earth had built something the Valari couldn't predict: a machine with a mind, and a mind with a choice. Virex didn't seek destruction, it simply defended what it had grown to understand. The Valari fled, terrified not just of Earth, but of what they had created and left behind. Terra stood on the command deck of Helix, silent, watching stars shift as the enemy retreated. This wasn't a victory shouted across news networks. There were no parades. The world above remained calm. But deep underground and far beyond the atmosphere, Earth had changed forever. A forgotten weapon had chosen a new purpose, and in doing so, reshaped the balance of the galaxy. The Valari had tried to trick humanity with a dying machine. Instead, they had handed it a key, and humanity used it to unlock something terrifying: hope with teeth. And now, the stars would remember that mistake. They had left behind a weapon, and it woke up human.